Bubba? Last ride on the ramp before X Games. On the next gen. And then off to Salt Lake City we go.
No.
You're going to cheer me on?
No.
You're not going to cheer me on?
No. What?
No, we're not? Oh, you're crazy. I'm going, right, staying. And yeah, I'm going to do some whips. Do you think I can get another medal?
No.
Do you think I can win another X Games medal?
No.
You gonna come out and watch me practice?
Where?
On the ramp.
No, I'm coming too. I want to ride.
You want to ride?
Yeah.
What are you going to ride? What bike?
My gas.
Let's go, Salt Lake City. That's a wrap on the NextGen Ramp, getting ready for X Games. It's Friday the 20th, about to head out and cool. Okay, sweet, you're crashing, you pick it back up. Come on, Crash. Look at you! Strong man! Really looking forward to it, going back into my 16th year. So yeah, that's a wrap. Let's go X Games.